In this question, you have to identify the correctly matched pair. Option A, Parthenium hysterophorus is to threat to biodiversity. Now, this species, which is also known as Congress grass, is an invasive species that poses a significant threat to biodiversity because it outcompetes native plants, disrupts the ecosystem, and also affects agricultural productivity. Hence, it is the correct match. Hence, it is the correct option also. Option B, stratification is to population. This is incorrect because stratification refers to the layering or vertical arrangement of different plant species or communities in an ecosystem, particularly in forests. So it is not directly related to populations. Option C, Erenchyma is to Opuntia. It is also incorrect because Erenchyma refers to specialized tissue found in plants that allows for the movement of gases and provides buoyancy. That is aquatic plants mainly, such as lilies, but not Opuntia, which is a genus of cacti found in desert. Option D, age pyramid is to bio. This is also incorrect because an age pyramid is a graphical representation of the age distribution within a population, and it is not related to bio, which are large ecological areas that are defined by climate, vegetation, and other environmental factors.